Seldom do we get an opportunity to offer a property like 19 Westbourne Drive, located so close to town with all the modern conveniences that Ash will tell you about inside, in a location which is sheer tranquility.
The features this fully renovated home here at 19 Westbourne Drive will not disappoint. Comprising of new kitchen with stainless steel appliances, including plenty of cupboard space, double drawer dishwasher, and walk-in pantry. 2 separate living spaces complete the front and middle of the home. Ducted air conditioning, 4 bedrooms, all complete with built-in robes and ceiling fans. Two renovated bathrooms, a dedicated office space, including cupboards and shelves. Set on just over 770 square metres, oversized double garage to the rear of the home with internal access and remote doors. Fully fenced with 2 large garden sheds at the rear. Great size entertainment space, all undercover, complete the rear of this home. So if 19 Westbourne Drive here in Nowra has caught your attention, give me a call and we can arrange an inspection.